For question number 34, part A, we have to solve the following system of equations using matrices. And this is the first, this is the second, this is the third equation. And x, y, z are not equal to 0, but these equations are in terms of the variables 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So let's form the matrices first. And this given system of matrices equations is equivalent to the matrix in the form Ax is equal to B. So our A matrix has the elements. So A is equal to 2, 3, 10, 4, negative 6, 5, 6, 9, and negative 20. And X matrix should have elements. It's not X, it's 1 by X, 1 by Y, and 1 by Z. And the B has the elements. So B should have the elements constants 4, 1, and 2. And if we have to find A, then sorry, X, then X should be A inverse of B. So that is a product of A inverse and B. And now we have to find A inverse. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So let's find out the determinant of A and then the adjoint of A. So adjoint of or determinant of A, let's find out first. So determinant of A is the determinant of 2, 3, 10, 4, negative 6, 5, and 6, 9, and negative 20. And it has to be the determinant. So, okay. So let's expand it along row R1. So 2, and removing the row and the column for 2, it's the determinant is a negative 6, 5, 9, and negative 20. Then use a negative sign for this is plus, minus, and plus. So minus 3, removing the row and the column for minus 3, it's 4, 5, 6, and negative 20 plus 10, 4, negative 6, 6, and 9. So 4, negative 6, 6, and 9. Okay, this is now equal to 2. Negative 6 into 20 is 120 minus 45 minus 3 minus 80 minus 30 plus 10. 9 4 that is 36 and plus 36. Okay, so this gives me 2 into okay, 2 into 75 minus 3 into negative 110 plus 10 into 72. So this is 75 into 2 is 150 plus 330 plus 720. So this is 0, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 7, 3, 10 plus 1, 11, and this is 1200, which is not equal to 0. That means A inverse exists. Now A inverse exists. For that, we have to find the cofactor matrix for A. So for A, let's find out the cofactor matrix. This is A11. The 1 plus 1 is 2, which is even. So it's positive. And remove the row and the column for A11. Its determinant is minus 6, 5, 9, and negative 20, which gives me 120 minus 45. So this is equal to 120 minus 45. This is 75. So the first cofactor element is 75. Let's find out A12, which is negative, A131 plus 3 is positive. So removing the row and the column for A12. So A12 is this is the row and this is the column. So remove the row and the column for 3. We are left with 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and negative 20. So this is negative of negative 120 minus 30, which is equal to 150. So A12, okay, minus, sorry, this should be 4 into negative 20 is negative 80 minus 30, which is equal to 110. So this is 110. Let's find out A3. A3, removing the row and the column. So this is for A1, 3, 4, negative 6, 6, 9. So 9 4 that is 36 plus 36, which is equal to 72. So I'm going to write the adjoint of A here. So adjoint of A matrix, I have got the elements. So this is 75, 110, and 72. So I will find the cofactors for this and will write them in the column form, that is 75, 110, and 72. Similarly, let's find out. So for 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3, negative. This is positive, and this is negative. Removing the row and the column for 2, 1, this is 3, 10, 9, negative 20, 2, 2. It's 2, 10, 6, 2, 10, 6, negative 20. And for 2, 3, second row, and this is the second row and the third element. So 2, 3, 6, 9, 2, 3, 6, 9. So this is negative, negative 60 minus 90 is equal to 150. This is minus 40 minus 60 is equal to minus 100. This is negative 18 minus 18, which is equal to 0. So 150, negative 100 and 0. 150, negative 100 and 0. And now let's find out it for 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So this is 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So this is plus, this is negative, and this is plus. Removing the element in the third row and first column, we are left with 3, 10, negative 6, 5, 3, 2. So 3, 2, 2, 10, 4, and 5, 3, 3. 3, 3 is 2, 3, 4, and negative 6. So this is equal to 15 plus 60 is equal to 75. Negative 10 minus 40 is equal to 30. This is now negative 12. Negative 12 is equal to negative 24. 75, 30. So this is 75, 30, and negative 24. This is the adjoint of A. 75, 30, and negative 24. Okay, so let's find out A inverse now. So A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So adjoint of A is 1 by 1200. So it has to be divided by the value of 1200 with adjoint of A. So this is adjoint of A. And if you write down here, so this adjoint A divided by A inverse is, okay, so this is A inverse 1 by 1200. And now let's find out X. So X is equal to A inverse B. So now X is equal to A inverse B, the product of A inverse and B. So this is X, this is A inverse, and this has to be multiplied with B. And B was 4, 1, 2. So this is 4, 1, and 2. So let's multiply this. The first element would be, this would be 75 into 4 plus 150 into 1 plus 75 into 2. I'm finding out X. And second row with the column. So this is 110 into 4 minus 100 into 1 plus 30 into 2. And it's 72 into 4 plus 0 into 1 plus this is negative 24 into 2. That should give me x. So x is now equal to, and it has to be divided by 1 by 200. So here it's 1 by 1200, sorry. So this is now 1 by 1200. 75 into 4 is 5, 4, 20. 7 4 are 28 and 2 is 300 plus 150 plus 150. This is 110. 440. This is 440 minus 100 plus 60. 72 into 4. 4 2s are is 8. 7 4s are is 28 plus minus 2 4s are 8 and 48. So, okay, first element is 300 plus 300 is 600. 440 plus 60 is 500 minus 100 is 400 and 288 minus 48 is 0, 4, 240. So 600, 400 and 240 has to be divided by 1200 each. So this gives me 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by, this is now 5. So this is x 240 divided by 1200. So 24, 12, 10, 2 and 1 by 5. So this is 1 by 5. Okay, so we have got x. So x is now equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. And this x was actually, this was 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. And equating the corresponding elements, this gives me x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. So we have got the values of x2, xy, and z, x2, y3, and z5.